Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Great Locks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be looking at XXXTentacion's dreadlocks and kind of just looking back. If you guys missed it on the Juice WRLD video, I did a video on him earlier on this week, and this whole week is basically of people that have passed on. The next video is going to actually be on Basquiat, so it's someone that I haven't done a review on, but it wasn't recent as well. But XXXTentacion and Juice WRLD had recently passed, and I just wanted to really kind of, I guess with these videos, send love and comfort to those people that have lost these people because they were close to them, and or even if you listen to their music, it's not easy. Definitely, it's really not easy. But I just wanted to make these videos to kind of just do updates or just really go more in depth on what is going on, because I have gained more knowledge on certain things as far as dreadlocks, because a lot of you guys do come to my channel learning how to get dreadlocks like these certain people, and I really just take you step by step on how to get them just like theirs. Now, for all of you guys to be more connected, you can check out Great Locks on Instagram. The Great Locks Instagram is really a community of people with dreadlocks, and everyone just learning from different people and seeing other people's dreadlocks and seeing how different everyone's hair is, especially with the hair types, and definitely with the way they style it and the way they dye it or whatever they do with their dreadlocks. It's all just a community of different people. I don't want to keep it just, you know, African American or just white or just Indian or Asian or whatever it is. It's very diverse on the Great Locks Instagram. So it's a place for you. If you have dreadlocks, you guys can tag Great Locks and be featured on the page. And the cool thing is if you tag Great Locks, you can actually be featured on the channel and on the website as well. But you guys, I just want to break down really quickly XXXTentacion's hair, how he got his dreadlocks, and how you guys can get your hair exactly like his. And this is especially for the people who have a 4A, 4B hair type. Now, if you don't know your hair type, you can definitely click the link down below that says what is my hair type, and it'll explain everything you need to know about your hair type and what method to do in order to get dreadlocks with your specific hair type. Because if you don't know, you choose your method based on your hair type. Now, looking at XXXTentacion, especially in the beginning stages of his hair, so we can see that he most likely started out with the sponge. And for a little bit there, he did like some freeforming, and we see this with Sway Lee. He started out with the sponge too, most likely, or just regular freeform. And it could be the same with X as well, with him just doing strictly freeform. He started out with a very loose method. He didn't do anything whatsoever, and then started maintaining it down the line with twisting with gel. And that's why we see Sway Lee's hair looking so nice, and that's why we've seen XXXTentacion's dreads looking super clean and very well put together, especially when he started dyeing them after the half black, half blonde. Now, looking at his hair type, we can say that he's most likely a 4A, maybe peeking into a 4B, which is actually really perfect to use the dread sponge on his hair type. And like I said, he followed up with twisting with gel down the line, and that's why his hair looks really nicely sectioned out versus how it was in the beginning stages, because he had his sections, which that's what the dread sponge does. It'll create the sections, but twisting with gel really maintains it and tightens everything up and allows it to mature in a very more, I would say, I guess, well put together way. Now, since he did do twisting with gel down the line, I want to recommend you guys Jamaican Mango and Lime locking gel. This is my hands down favorite locking gel. Even with a lot of other people, everybody loves this product. It's a great product. First off, it doesn't create buildup because it washes out very easily, and I love the smell of it. There's actually a resistant formula, and they're both really well. There's a black lid and a white lid. I recommend the black lid, but the white lid works just as well. And if you actually go to greatlocks.com, you can find that there's, I believe, a 16-ounce one, but they do have some that come in a smaller amount. But I just recommend getting a bigger sized jar because you're going to use this for a really long time. You use this for maintenance, you use this to start your dreadlocks out, and I'm telling you, it's just an overall really great product to have in your drawer. Now, if you click the link down below that says Jamaican Mango and Lime locking gel, it'll take you straight to Amazon in order to purchase this. You can choose what size you would like as well. But if you would like to check out a wider range of products, you can check out greatlocks.com, and that's where you can find everything your dreadlocks need, especially if you want to get your hair like XXXTentacion. I think I'm going to be adding some hair dyes on there pretty soon, because greatlocks.com is for every hair type, for anybody, and it's a place to where you can get your dreadlocks how you would like them. And the reason I want to add hair dyes is because we see people like Juice WRLD and XXXTentacion and Lil Pump who have dyed their hair, and it looks really cool. And one thing I really liked about XXXTentacion's hair is that he went through these different stages, like the black and blonde, and then the blue or purple, whatever you want to call it, and then the platinum. They all looked really dope, and these are all different colors that I didn't see anybody else wear before him. Especially the black and blonde. That was, I would feel, the most famous hairstyle by XXXTentacion. But I do know this about X is that he's still missed to this day, and he'll continue to be missed by his fans, his loved ones, and his family. And the same as Juice WRLD's video, I just want to send love and comfort to everyone out there who listen to his music or his family or his friends. And I really don't have anything negative to say about these people like Juice WRLD and X, because I don't know their story, and a lot of us don't even know their story, but I do know that when people pass away, it's never easy for the family and their loved ones. But not trying to get too deep, if you follow the steps that I showed you in this video, you guys can get your hair exactly like XXXTentacion. And also guys, don't forget to go check out Great Locks on Instagram, because it is a community and we're a family and we're growing. And one thing I really like about dreadlocks is you kind of grow with your dreadlocks. Like for me, one thing I learned on my first set of dreads is patience. And another thing that I'm learning on this set of dreads is really just being able to endure even through the times to where things don't look that good, which kind of just goes hand in hand with patience. But other than that guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.